As I was pondering an upcoming job interview, I found myself asking God a different kind of question. It wasn't, will this be the one that works out? Or, is this the door? But the question was, God, what does your yes sound like? I don't think that I would have had the wherewithal to even ask that question if I wasn't already in this season of waiting. Waiting has a way of quieting you, of stripping away the assumptions. It has a way of making you listen more carefully, because sometimes God's yes doesn't sound like instant clarity. Sometimes it sounds like peace that doesn't make sense yet, or patience instead of urgency. Sometimes it sounds like a closed door that keeps you from stumbling into the wrong room. And sometimes God's yes isn't about the job at all. Sometimes it's about who you're becoming while you wait, about trust deepening, about your grip loosening, about learning to follow God's voice without a timeline attached. I still want the job. I still very much care how this works out. But I'm learning that faith at this stage of life isn't about chasing outcomes. It's about learning to recognize God's voice when He speaks. So I'm listening, not just for the answer, but for the sound of His yes.